Gig workers are responsible for tracking and paying their own taxes because apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Fiverr, and Instacart do not withhold income taxes from payouts. By the end, you'll understand how gig income is classified, what paperwork you'll receive, and the basic steps most workers use to avoid tax problems at the end of the year. Start with how gig income is treated. Gig economy earnings are usually treated as self-employment income. That means you are considered both the worker and the business for tax purposes. This is different from a regular job where taxes are automatically taken out of each paycheck. Now look at payment tracking. Most gig platforms issue tax forms that summarize your yearly earnings. These forms show how much you were paid through the platform. They do not include personal deductions or expenses you may have had. Now look at expenses. Gig workers often have job-related costs like gas, vehicle wear, phone usage, or supplies depending on the app. These expenses can sometimes be used to reduce taxable income. The key point is that tracking expenses matters as much as tracking income. Now look at estimated taxes. Since taxes are not withheld automatically, many gig workers set aside money throughout the year. This helps avoid owing a large amount at tax time. Without setting money aside, income can feel higher than what is actually available after taxes. Now look at record keeping. Keeping consistent records of income and expenses helps prevent errors during tax filing. Many workers use simple spreadsheets or expense tracking apps to stay organized. Poor records often lead to confusion when matching income forms with actual earnings. Now here's what most people miss. Gig income is not taxed differently, but it is handled differently. The responsibility shifts from the platform to the worker. That change is what catches most beginners off guard, not the tax rate itself. Now the simple breakdown. Gig economy taxes come down to three things: tracking your income from apps, recording your business-related expenses, and setting aside money for taxes throughout the year. If you manage those three areas, tax season becomes much easier to handle. Now the takeaway. Gig work gives flexibility, but it also adds responsibility. The biggest adjustment is learning to treat your earnings like business income instead of paycheck income. Once you do that, the process becomes predictable instead of stressful. Next step. Start tracking every gig payment and expense in one place from today instead of waiting until tax season. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps, side income strategies, and real-world financial topics without confusion or hype.